Thanks for stopping by at Twisted Art Designs. The positive word for today is kindness. I had to use the word kindness today because I've received a special gift from one of my subscribers, and kindness just fills my heart and soul today for this wonderful gift. So kindness is your positive word for today. How can you show someone some kindness? Compliment someone, send them a gift like this. Having a gift sent without your knowledge of it and it's just a surprise is such a fun way of someone showing kindness. Just loving each other. Love each other as much as you can and show warmth and kindness to your family and friends, loved ones, pets, and use the word kindness on an art journal page or in your gratitude journal. So thank you so much. This is the kindness that I received today, and it is from a subscriber who sent me this as a gift for a thank you for my Julie Nutting Altered Books series. So I thought that was so sweet and special. She knows from my videos that I have a total fondness and addiction to colored pencils of any kind. And I had put the Shuttle art set in my wish list, my Amazon wish list, because I had received the Shuttle art paint pens from a subscriber, Mimi. Thank you so much, Mimi, for sending me those for a birthday gift. So it was my first experience with Shuttle art, and when I saw that they had colored pencils as well, I wanted to try them, and I put them in my Amazon wish list, but I didn't think that I'd be receiving them. So what a special gift. Thank you, Sandy S. I just love my followers. You guys are so great, and I appreciate you. I do this and share my videos for inspiring other people to make art and to use art for therapy, for healing your heart, healing sadness, depression, pain management. I use it for pain management. And so I do this because I want to, and because it's fun to share, and to receive gifts in return is just such a beautiful kindness. So thank you so much, and let me show you this beautiful set of colored pencils. So it's 180 colored pencils. They're artist quality, vibrant colors, break resistant, and it does come with a swatch sheet. You know how much I love swatch sheets. So I can't wait to spend my time swatching 180 colors. Look at these beautiful pencils. And I did play around with them on a piece of paper. They blend great. They're smooth. Their colors are very vibrant. Look at this beautiful bright colors. So, so, so pretty. I'm not sure that I'm going to keep them in the tin, but I may put them into a pen case that I have or something. I'm going to keep them separate from my other pencils because I want to just keep this set probably for doing mandalas and coloring mandalas that I draw. So look at these gorgeous colors, and they also have metallics. So in this last one, there's even metallic colors. I don't know if you can see that these are all, this whole section here is all metallic colors. So they're beautiful, and you get also get 4 sharpeners in the bottom of the set. So 4 sharpeners that work really well. I tried them, and so this is going to be a fabulous, fabulous set. So I will have a link in the description box below for this specific set if you're interested. I know Amazon is having some sales too, so I believe that this set may be even on sale. So check it out, and thank you, Sandy. Thank you, everybody who's been watching and enjoying the Julie Nutting series. That's what this gift was given to me for, and I so appreciate that because that was a fun thing to do, and I'm still going to be doing Julie Nutting videos. In fact, I've got one coming up this next week, and so stay tuned for more Julie Nutting videos. So thanks for stopping by, and go make some art today because art soothes the heart. And go be kind.